All right. We are being watched. I come in peace. Oh, you're not scared, are you? Hmm? Don't eat my phone. It's just a phone. Don't eat my phone. I'm sorry. I'm sorry I offended you. What's up, fellas? Ladies, fellas, whatever you are. What's up? I didn't do anything. I only spoke. Oh, hello there, lads. How are you gents doing today? Good day there. This is almost creepy in a way. Did you have anything better to do? I'm just kidding.